It's Capen at AppleIPhoneApps.com, and today we're going to review a pre-release version of MagicPad. MagicPad is the rich text editor we first told you about last week, as they boasted about having copy and paste features not yet available in any other iPhone app. MagicPad is still awaiting their approval from Apple to be in the App Store, so you can't get it yet, but we'll take a look at it now. Once you hit MagicPad, the program opens, and you'll notice that it looks very much like Apple's Notes app. You can create a new note right away or edit an existing note. Let's go into the MagicPad trial note that I created earlier. So of course, just like in the Notes app, when I click, I can start typing right away. But something that we'll notice that's different about this app is there's a formatting bar above the keyboard. The formatting bar allows me to change the font, change the size, color, apply text effects, and even copy and paste data. So of course, in order to copy and paste, we'll need to select text, which currently there's no way to do in the iPhone. So let's show you how MagicPad allows us to do that now. So I can simply find anywhere I want to copy and paste, and then simply finding that spot and holding it and dragging across the words will allow me to select the data. So you'll notice I've selected AppleIPhoneApps.com, and from here I can do anything I want to that text. Let's start by changing the font size, and let's make it red, and let's also copy it in case we want to use it later. So you'll see here that now I did copy it, and I can go in and I can select different text, like let's go ahead and select the word MagicPad. And then I can go ahead and change the font here. Let's put that into cursive. And let's also underline the word MagicPad. So you'll see I can do all that. And of course, now we talked about copying and pasting. So let's go ahead and try that now. I'm going to paste my data here. So I will go back in and go and click on my clipboard to paste the data. And you'll see that AppleIPhoneApps.com did come back. So that's a basic functionality of this rich text editor. As you can see, it is very easy to use. And let me show you a real life way that I've already found to use MagicPad to help me out. So I have an upcoming wedding, so I've created a to-do list for my buddy Bill. So we'll see here that for Bill I have his to-do list here, and I know that I need to make one for Jim also. Instead of retyping the note, let me go ahead and use MagicPad to copy the entire note. If I highlight the whole note here and again select on copy, and then I'm done with this text, I'll go ahead and create a new note, and then let me start off by pasting what I just copied. So you'll see here now that I have Bill's to-do list. I want to send this to my buddy Jim, so let me change it to Jim's to-do list. So I'll type in Jim's name now. So there's Jim, and let me go ahead and delete the name Bill. So now I have Jim's to-do list, and I know Jim's a little bit more on the ball than my buddy Bill. He's already tried on his tux, so let me go ahead and highlight try on tux. I can delete that, but what I'm going to do is actually cross it out so I know that he's already done it. So I'll cross out that there. He's also already RSVP'd for my wedding, so again I can simply highlight that. And I can cross that out as well. So I know that he hath already tried on his tux and RSVP'd for the wedding. And if I want to go ahead and send this note to my buddy Jim so he remembers the things he has to do still, I simply click on the email feature, and I can go ahead and you'll see that I already have my email address there. And then in the to field, I can pick him from my contact book. There he is, Jim. Go ahead and pick him here, and then I can go ahead and send him the message right away. I do need to enter a CAPTCHA, so it looks like RZ6E. And then I'll go ahead and send that now. And you'll see that it is sending the email, and once the email, there it is, we heard that it actually did get sent, and it will actually email rich text notes to my friends. So when Jim gets the email, it will be in red for him as well. So you'll see here it's a pretty neat app, and again it's not yet available in the App Store, but the program is called MagicPad, so keep a lookout for it. And once again, it's Capen with AppleIPhoneApps.com, and I'll sync with you next time.